In the vast, blue ocean of knowledge, a young sailfish named Sailor swam. He was admired by all for his speed and grace, but he was not content. He longed to learn something new, to be more than just fast. One day, a wise old turtle approached Sailor. "You swim fast, Sailor," the turtle said, "but have you ever thought about diving deep?" Sailor was puzzled. "Why would I want to dive deep?" he asked. "I can swim faster on the surface." The turtle smiled. "Knowledge, dear Sailor, is not always found in the shallow waters. Sometimes, you must dive deep to discover its true depth." Determined, Sailor decided to learn to dive deep. He practiced every day, diving lower and lower into the ocean. It was hard, and he felt exhausted, but he was determined. One day, while diving deep, Sailor found a hidden treasure, a pearl that shone with wisdom. He brought it to the surface, feeling proud and accomplished. The other fish gathered around Sailor, admiring the pearl. "Where did you find that, Sailor?" they asked. Sailor smiled. "I found it by diving deep and seeking knowledge." From that day on, Sailor was no longer just a fast swimmer. He was a wise sailfish, respected by all for his knowledge and wisdom. The moral of the story is, seek knowledge, even if it takes you deep into the ocean. For the deepest knowledge is often found where few dare to swim. Never stop learning, for wisdom is the greatest treasure of all.